Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, we're going to talk about Summer Blue from Nuana House of Luxury. Now, look at the bottle. You already know this is like a summer freshy fragrance, and so does the name, like Summer Blue. It's quite obvious what the fragrance is all about. So let's begin with the review on this one. Before I do so, make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, you hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now, let's get started. So first things first, I just want to talk about the brand. If you have been watching my Nuana perfume series, by now you already know what this fragrance brand is all about. But for somebody who's new and just coming in my channel and this may be the first video that you're watching me, hi, I'm Shreya and I make perfume content, as you can see. Alright, coming back to the brand. So Nuana House of Luxury is an Indian perfume brand, and Nuana itself means new plus Nirvana. So name is derived from Sanskrit roots, and they believe in making very clean and minimal fragrances, and you will see that reflecting in their design and the contents and ingredients and everything. Their perfumes are free of paraben, phthalates, artificial colorants and dyes, and they use good quality perfume oil which perform well, and it is skin friendly. The best part of these fragrances are these are macerated for around 4 to 5 weeks before they reach you. So they don't give you that initial alcohol blast. So that is like the best part with Nuana Luxury. These are available at nuanaluxury.com and they are heavily on discount, almost like 40% off Mimil Rent. See the perfume bottle, it's a nice thick glass bottle with sticker on top, has a very fresh vibe to it, very aquatic marine fragrance, and it just reflects in the packaging. You can see the perfume right from here, and there is a textured cap, very tightly fitted here. Okay, so it does not move or budge. The atomizer is really good quality, diffuses the product really well. Let's talk about the scent profile. Now think of cool breeze splashing your face with cold water. Very effortlessly fresh, everyday clean girl vibe. Kind of like a nice out of the shower kind of a fragrance. That's exactly what Summer Blue is all about. It's freshness and summers in a bottle. Now this is inspired by Versace's Dylan Blue, which is a very complicated freshy fragrance by the way, and once you get to know the notes breakdown, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This one also has some similarities to Nautica Voyage fragrance, but more closer to Versace's Dylan Blue. Okay, now let's see the notes breakdown on this one. Now this one has a very citrusy, very watery kind of an opening because it has Calabrian bergamot, grapefruit, water notes and fig leaf. It smells like very citrusy, watery freshness, which is like very refreshing. Then goes into ambroxan, some black pepper, patchouli, violet leaf and papyrus. This brings in a slight spicy nuance and a kind of like a modern, masculine, fresh vibe, and also kind of like bringing in that aromatic green touch. Then it has some musk, tonka bean, incense and saffron, which kind of brings in that soft, clean, slightly warm but woody sort of a finish. So overall, how the journey of this fragrance is, it's citrusy and water-like, and then it kind of goes into this spicy, fresh, aromatic nuance, and finally goes into this earthy, this patchouli heavy, earthy, musky, clean, soft vibe, which is also very warm and woody. Think of a tree log or a tree trunk which has fallen into the river and it has like splashed the water all over. The river water is like running and gushing through it, and you know, some ferns and petals and mossiness has grown over that log or tree trunk, and you can smell the earthiness, the mud, the river water, the flora, the fauna that sits onto that log. Everything combined together will give you that summer blue wala effect. Now what's the personality of this fragrance? It's definitely a very daytime, a very casual, out of the gym, fresh out of the shower, a very office appropriate kind of a fragrance. Somebody who enjoys that clean girl vibe or a clean guy vibe, that's the exact vibe of this fragrance, and that's the exact personality. It's very versatile. It's a very crowd pleasing kind of a scent profile. It is not at all an offensive fragrance, and it is something which is very safe blind buy. It is actually one of the best fragrances to start your perfume journey for if you are a perfume beginner. It's very light, fresh, airy, nothing heavy or nothing too dominating. Kind of mixes really well with the air, with the skin chemistry, and kind of becomes like a very soft skin perfume. I get around longevity of 5 hours with this one, with a spray of around 8 to 9 sprays, and the projection and sillage on this one is medium to soft. It creates a very soft perfume bubble around me, and I get that freshy wisp for around 1 to 2 hours, and then it settles down. It's a very nice, soft, easy going fragrance, no brainer kind of a fragrance. If you don't know what to put today or tomorrow, just pick this one and put, and you're good to go. Like, you know, it's a no brainer kind of a fragrance, which I absolutely love. Abhi itni zyada garmi ho rakhi hai, like it's already beyond 40 degrees in Hyderabad. Aise type ke fragrances are very refreshing. They are very easy breezy kind of an easy reach fragrance. And you know, it just is so crowd pleasing कि office और सब जगह आप पहन के जाओ and you will get compliments on what you're wearing. So that's Summer Blue for you. That's the overall vibe of this fragrance, and I hope that I was able to do justice explaining it to you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please do subscribe. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. I have a lot more perfume content coming, and I have a lot more perfume content already available for you to watch. So I hope that you continue your support, and if you are new here, welcome. And if at all you want to get to know me better or you want to chat about perfumes, please come and follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is My Perfume Diaries. Come and say hi. Let's get to know each other. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.